because all the recommendations which were in fact submitted by most of the JPC members of the opposition parties have not been considered and taken into account, and rather the BJP, in fact, whatever they wanted, they are literally trying to bulldoze the things and trying to, pass it. See, already, in 1995, there was already a very comprehensive act was passed, the Waqf Act, and later on in 2013 we had the amendments, and even at that point of time the BJP members have supported, they were there in the house, but now the BJP, since they want to grab the Waqf properties, so that is the reason they are bringing out this amendments, and the major concern is in fact the Waqf by user, because they want to actually finish this off, and apart from that the Waqf tribunal powers, they want to give it to the district collector, who is nothing but the representative of the government. And another thing is, for example, if I want to give my property for the Waqf, then I have to prove myself that I am a practicing Muslim for the last 5 years. How can that be proved actually? I mean, so these are the things which in fact are a matter of great concern, and this clearly violates the Constitution.
Sir, as a Telangana Congress leader, what would you like to tell to the
In fact, because as far our stand is concerned, we are very clear right from the day one. We have in fact rejected these amendments, and even our government has rejected, our party has rejected, and we are very vocal about it.